A winter blizzard is crippling parts of the Midwest, and forecasters are saying it could reach epic proportions. Rick Sallinger with our Denver affiliate KCNC is in the Loveland ski area near Georgetown, Colorado, with the latest on the whiteout. Good morning, Rick.
Good morning, Rebecca. Snow continues to blanket parts of western Colorado. Forecasters are predicting enormous amounts, with some mountain areas getting up to 8 feet of snow.
A winter storm is bringing heavy and constant snow to Colorado's high country, creating dangerous driving conditions. Ice and slush made it difficult for vehicles without snow chains to stay on parts of Interstate 70, too tough for even the snowplow.
It's too much slush. Yeah. Not spin up.
Ski resorts here in Colorado are seeing a big uptick in business with all these winter storms. Right now, the snowpack is 125% of the 30-year average. Rebecca?
Incredible. CBS's Rick Sallinger, thank you, near Georgetown, Colorado.